I'm a little mad at Dollar Tree today, so instead of the usual Dollar Tree hacks and DIYs, in today's video I'm going to show you guys some super awesome thrifted finds that we're going to style and decorate with. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Araceli and this is Araceli Chan DIY, and in my channel you're going to find tons of DIY inspiration, lots of home decor hacks, and it's always going to be on a budget. So if you guys are into that, I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Dollar Tree increased their prices. Right now at my store, certain stuff is at $1.75. I've seen some things increase to $1.50. Right, so we're going to do lots of thrifting, lots of Facebook Marketplace. We're gonna go back to making stuff with what you have. I bring the ideas, you take it from there, and then also just, you know, more home decor, all that good stuff. Because I feel like I stopped decorating my house for a little while because it just got overwhelming. But there's this big empty wall that I don't know what the heck to do with. The issue is just decorating this wall, especially if I want to try to stay on a budget. So the couch starts right there. It doesn't leave us much room over here. From there, and I measured it when I bought it and I said that's fine. I want it to take up the entire space. That way we all fit, movies or whatever. And then I have this tiny space right in this corner. The problem that this enormous sectional causes is that I can't flip it. Over here is our front door. So if I were to flip it, it would take up a lot of this space right here. So you wouldn't really be able to walk, and then I have this closet right here. This is where I work out. That's not gonna work. I could flip it this way. We're not gonna be able to open this sliding door. On this side, it is a dresser. It is a little bit deeper than a normal TV stand. And who has TV stands anyways? Because people usually hang their TV, right? Well, I can't hang this TV because it's from 2009 and it's a monstrous big TV that would not be held up by any type of anchor on this wall. These shelves used to be in the background or my craft space, but then I moved everything around. These came in here. Everything has a purpose or gets repurposed in this home. If we can't afford it, we're not gonna buy it. And so I'm balling on a budget all the time. This used to be an old leather ottoman that I basically just took the frame from, and then I built the actual table around it. So yeah, this is what I have to work with, and so I'm bringing you guys along to see. Basically the entire purpose was to decorate this wall, but I'm gonna have to like move stuff around and see what works good. I'm gonna try to see if I can take one of these and put it right here. So I'm thinking if I do something like that, and then we're gonna add a little greenery, and then I'm gonna change the art or the picture as well. But I can't tell because like there's more open space over here than there is over here. So I'm thinking if maybe I do it that way, or if I move the mirror. I put the lamp back, and then I'll show you guys this plant here in a second. And so I did have this mirror outside, and that's from Goodwill. I'm gonna take that one and put it outside and then just replace it with this one. I went to Salvation Army. I found these hanging baskets. Like, they're really high quality, like wicker baskets. They still have the little tags on the back. I almost left them. I knew I was gonna regret it. The larger basket was $4. The medium basket was $3, and the smaller one was $2. And I saw them on Amazon for what, like over $30 for one basket with the greenery. It's the hanging eucalyptus from Dollar Tree. These would look really great in here, but I guess we'll see. And then I also found these really cool frames. I'm just kind of obsessed with this type of look right now. And I definitely think that this was a DIY project, because you can see some of the little dried up glue strands from where they glued the beads down, and it goes all the way around. I actually love the picture that's in here. Unfortunately, the other frame that I got with it doesn't have one, so I have to come up with something. So I was trying to see if I could find some type of craft paper that would look good in the frames. But I think I have 2 extras of these Dollar Tree peel and stick, and I really like this print. I mean, honestly, I love this one, but until I can find a print similar to this or something along the line, I think we'll go with this one. Oh, here's another one. I got this one at Salvation Army also. This did not have a tag on it, and the girl was like, $5? I'm like, yes. And I'm leaving here before you change your mind. I'm iffy. I'm iffy. All right, here I go changing my mind again. After all, home decor is not permanent, so if I'm not happy with it, I'll end up changing it around. I bought this planner. There's cereal, chip crumbs, toys. I am going to put my books back, and the only hardcover books I have of the Twilight series are these. Otherwise, I would put all of them. The other ones are paperback, but I'll just put these out. There. I'm going to move this just a little bit that way. Ooh. Just kidding, I'm not. It's so heavy. There we go, just a little bit.
Did you just put those up?
Teenager approved.
Did you just put those up?
Yeah. Look how handsome. So now I'm debating whether I should put this plant in that corner or this plant in that corner. That answered my question. That looks horrible. Okay, I think that one definitely looks better there. There's no point of decorating over here because this is the landing space for like the Wii, the karaoke machine, and then I do have at least a little box here with some of my books, and then like the router and all that stuff. And of course we have our Aura frame. Okay, I have several of these plant stands that I got at Walmart. I think they were on clearance for like $5, or maybe that was the original price. And then I also found this really cool candle holder. This one was $4.79. I did actually pay the $4.79 for this one just because I thought it was pretty unique and cool. And it holds 2 taper candles. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one yet. I don't know if I'll like repaint it. I like it just like this. So I might just like clean it up a little bit. Okay, so this one looks like it's missing a screw right here, but instead of hanging it from here, I think I'll just put a nail and try to hang it just from right there. And I mean, as you can see, I could probably like distress it a little bit, but I kind of like it like that. I just got to clean it up a little bit. I know I got these candles from Dollar Tree, but now that I look at them, it looks like one's a little bit more red and the other one's more orange. Let's see. Yeah, this definitely looks more red than orange. I don't know that I like that. Okay, luckily I have a bunch of candles here. It's a little bit more orange. I don't know, but I think because it's so dark, I might just have to go with like the lighter colors. And I'm not gonna use these because these are all warped. They're bent. Let me see. Yeah, this one's like, I don't know if you can tell or not, but those are bent. So I guess I'll just go with these. I can't decide if I just want the 2 baskets here or if I'm gonna do 3. Okay, I think I'm gonna just put this back in here. I do have these little green wreaths. Wait, I paid $1 for this, so I'm just gonna put it in there, the candle back in there. There were like 12 pillows that came with this couch. And I took half of them. Was it one? Yeah, like half of them, they're up in the attic. And these 2 are gonna go up in the attic too. So I'm just gonna leave these other ones and the other just blue ones. I got this blanket from Goodwill, gave it a nice wash, double wash. And then I actually tried to cover myself with it, but it's kind of itchy, so this is literally just gonna be for looks now. There we go. So Kai does not have a room yet. Not yet. He sleeps with us, so half of his toys are in here. Got some toys in there also. Ooh, sorry, you guys are super wobbly. There's not much I can do about the toys. They're gonna stay down there, so I'm just gonna clean the table. And I'm literally trying to hurry up to get this done because I know that after Lonnie gets home and everybody starts chilling out, this is gonna last 0.5 seconds. I really hoped you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I know you like this one too, so make sure you guys check it out before you go. Now, if you did enjoy this video, I would love for you guys to leave me a thumbs up. Leave me any comments or questions down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!